Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install Tor Browser latest version, that is 15.0 on AlmaLinux OS 9. Okay, first open the default web browser that comes with AlmaLinux, that is Firefox. Then go to Tor Browser official website, it is torproject.org. Then click on download Tor Browser or download Tor Browser. Then select download for Linux. See, download started and its size is about 131 megabytes. Wait until download completes. See, download is completed. Now open terminal. Go to downloads directory, cd downloads, ls. See, here we have the Tor Browser zip file. We have to unzip it. tar-xf, then tar, then press the tab to autofill entire file name. Hit enter. See, extraction completed. ls. Now go to this Tor Browser folder, ls. Now run this start Tor Browser.desktop file, /start, press the tab to autofill enter file name, hit enter. See, you got the Tor Browser, connect to Tor. If you want to connect always automatically, turn on this one and click on connect. See, we have successfully connected, and see here the default search engine for Tor Browser is DuckDuckGo. Now verify the version. Go to help, about Tor Browser. See, we have installed 15.0. It is the latest version. Okay, close this one, close this one. So in this video we have seen how to install Tor Browser latest version on AlmaLinux OS. Okay, for more tutorials please subscribe my channel. Thank you.